This is great news. We're making a quick omelet. The olive oil, you can fry with olive oil. You can technically use any type of oil, but olive oil to me is one of the best things to cook with at medium heat. I'm going to lower it a little bit because I did raise the frying pan, and I'm going to put those in. And that's banana pepper. As you can see, the oil is really hot at medium. Those are the stems actually from the zucchini flower. We're going to just saute it for a little bit. And I'm actually going to lower the heat because I had it on medium and I don't want to overcook the stems of the zucchini flowers. This is a quick omelet that's super delicious. If you don't have zucchini flowers, you can technically just do everything that I'm doing without the flowers, but if you can get some zucchini flowers, and they grow like mad in your garden. Very simple to grow, and you really enjoy it. So, right now, that's good. Oh, I have a couple more that I can throw in. That's done. I still have some more banana peppers. And the reason why I like to fry with banana peppers, the skin is not too tough. It's easy to grow in the garden, or you can find it at any grocery store. That sounds amazing. It's ready to have the eggs. But before we put the eggs in, we're going to put in zucchini flowers. These are just beautiful, super beautiful. And they will wilt really quick. They have to be dry or the oil will splatter everywhere. And I hope there's lucky 7 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like odd numbers. And now they will wither down a little bit. And the sound is just delicious. Super delicious. Again, you can see how beautiful they are when you flip them over. And they do look very pretty. Now the star of the show, well, the zucchini is 3 eggs. I know that different sizes of eggs, so I usually go for 3/4 cup. And we're almost done. Just move that around. Play with it a little bit. I might have to raise the temperature now because the eggs were colder, of course. And that gives me time to put a little bit of parsley. Paprika. My favorite in an omelet. Some fresh black pepper. And of course, you can see that we're taping this when I said paprika afterwards. Right now, it's looking good. I just like to play around with it. And again, the health benefits of olive oil, especially extra virgin, is just wonderful. I hope that you can throw that in with your simple frying in a day. You can also put parsley in this right now, but I use parsley in a lot of recipes. And I'm just not into it lately. Maybe I'm all parsley out. I'm just going to raise it up to medium high now because I do want to make sure that we cook this perfectly. And it's very simple. With 3 eggs in here, you know you're getting all the nutrients from the eggs. And try to find the freshest eggs. No matter what you can do, that's one of the secrets with good cooking, is fresh stuff. I love zucchini flowers. They are so beautiful. Thank God I dried them because they would have splattered all over the place with the water in them. Oh boy, this is looking so good. So delicious. And then you can move it around if you think that there's some hot spots on your stove. And I know that Stainless steel frying pans are the best, but with eggs, you can't beat a good non-stick frying pan at all. And there's the flowers. It just adds that beautiful tasteness that I can't compare it to anything else. So, did I throw in some salt? I don't know. Some sea salt. And then I'm going to throw in some cheese. I'm going to put it on this side because this side is cooking faster. And you can never have too much cheese. And there's also salt in the cheese. What kind of cheese this is? I love Havarti with my omelets. Any kind of cheese works well. There we go. Again, I didn't put any onions, so I'm going to throw in some fresh chives before I flip the omelet. And right here, that will give you that onion taste that I was saying earlier, but not so strong. And then I'm going to flip it. And you see the nice color on the other side? And flip it. And look how beautiful that is. Holy cow. That is so amazing. You can't go wrong with that. And you're worried about that not being cooked? I'll show you a quick thing you can do. All you need is a good plate. Slide it. And then flip it back on. And there we go. One more minute and we're all done. Again, zucchini flowers is part of this recipe. This omelet looks delicious. It has melted cheese in it. Has zucchini flowers, chives in it, banana pepper. If you like spicy, I suggest hot banana peppers, which this is what I put in. Once again, this is super amazing. If you want to jazz it up a little bit, it's done cooking. There you go. We can put some of the fresh chives on there. And as I said earlier, you can also use parsley. And what beautiful omelet. Zucchini flower omelet. Something you won't see too often. If you can do this, you are one amazing person. Ciao for now.